Is your Facebook account suspended, disabled? If yes, the video for today is going to be very interesting because I'm going to show you 3 methods that you could utilize to try and get your account back and use Facebook again. I'm very much sure there is a reason why your account is suspended, and you have received a communication on that specific reason. I mean, when it was suspended, I'm sure Facebook sent you an email, and in the email you may have gotten to see why your account was suspended and what steps you could take further is also mentioned there. But I have received a couple of messages in which some people are saying that even after following instructions in that email, or the normal procedure to appeal to Facebook is to log into your account and then follow on-screen instructions. They are actually not getting the appeal option, or even if they get the option, they're sending a message to Facebook, and then Facebook is sending automated messages every time. Okay, like 2 or 3 times or 4 times or whatever it is, the same messages. So we have come up with 3 different types of methods to communicate with Facebook when your account is banned. It may just work for you, so just give it a try. The first method is through Instagram. You could do it on a laptop or a PC or your smartphone itself, no problem. And once you are in your Instagram account, just do a search for Facebook. Okay, just type in Facebook out here, and then get onto the official Instagram page for Facebook. Once you're here, you're going to get an option to message these guys. Click on the message option. You get a chat box pop up like this, and then you send them a message directly out here. You could just go ahead and start chatting with these guys, or send them messages out here that my Facebook account was suspended for no reason. Give them a Facebook handle or your Facebook page link if you have it, and you're definitely going to get a reply from these guys. Don't you worry about it, okay? Normally, these guys would get back to you within 24 hours on Instagram. If they do not, then you go ahead and send them another message. If they still do not, after 2 or 3 times you try on Instagram on the official page like this, utilize the second method, and the second method is super effective. Open the Chrome browser and do a Google search for Google Play, and get to the official page for Google Play on your desktop or your PC. Okay, so once you're here, just do a search for Facebook and just click on Facebook out here. Get onto the official page for Facebook on Google Play. Here under app support, click on this option. You get an email address out here. Just send an email to these guys using this email address. So you could just open your email, and you could create an email. Just put that email address out here in the subject. My Facebook account was suspended for no reason. And then in the message, you could put in something like this: "Hi team, my Facebook account was suspended for no reason. I have tried to appeal via the app after logging in," which is the normal procedure, "but it has been days and I got no response or resolution. Since I use Facebook in accordance to your terms, I would like to see if you could give me a one-time exception and reinstate my account. Put in your Facebook email, your Facebook handle, regards your name," and send it. You are definitely going to get a response from these guys. So you wait for 2 days, and if you do not get a response from these guys, just utilize the third method, and you're definitely going to get a response on this. Get back to Google Play for your Facebook page and leave a feedback out here. If you are a person who is genuinely using Facebook the proper way, you haven't spammed, you haven't scammed, you haven't done anything wrong. You're just posting regular pictures, you're just posting videos of when you're traveling or something like that. You haven't done anything wrong, so you could leave a genuine feedback. Just leave a feedback. In the feedback, just mention that your account was suspended. Just leave like 1 or 2 stars and tell them that your account was suspended, you have no help, this, that, and these guys are definitely going to respond to you. In the feedback, mention your problem, and you're definitely going to get a response from their team, and they are going to help you out. Now, don't take me wrong. I'm not saying to intentionally leave a bad feedback out here. No, I'm not telling you that. I'm only suggesting you use this option. If you do not get a reply from these guys at all, if they're not helping you at all, you're not getting any kind of a response. And these 3 methods are the best unofficial methods that you could ever utilize to try and see if you could get your Facebook account reinstated. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.